Objective: to study about the types of leaves. Leaves are classified into two types, depending upon the presence or absence of dissection in the lamina. They are simple leaves and compound leaves. Simple leaves. A leaf with undissected or partially dissected lamina is called a simple leaf. A simple leaf with undissected lamina is called a simple entire leaf or unlobed leaf. Such leaves are seen in Mangifera. Mangifera indica is the botanical name of the mango plant. In a lobed simple leaf, the lamina is partially dissected into lobes. On the basis of position of lobes, simple leaves are classified into two types. They are pinnately lobed simple leaves and palmately lobed simple leaves. Pinnately lobed simple leaf. In this simple leaf, lobes of the lamina are present on either side of the midrib. Such simple leaves are seen in Brassica. Palmately lobed simple leaf. In this simple leaf, lobes of the lamina are present at the tip of the petiole. In this leaf, lobes are arranged like fingers in a palm. Such leaves are seen in Passiflora, Ricinus, and Gossypium. Compound leaves. A leaf with leaflets is called a compound leaf. In a compound leaf, leaflets are formed due to the division of the lamina. It occurs completely from the margin up to the midrib or up to the tip of the petiole. The compound leaves are classified into two types on the basis of the position of leaflets. They are pinnately compound leaves and palmately compound leaves. Pinnately compound leaves. In this leaf, the leaflets are arranged on the rachis. Rachis is actually the midrib. Pinnately compound leaves are classified into different kinds on the basis of the position of leaflets on the rachis. They are unipinnate compound leaves, bipinnate compound leaves, tripinnate compound leaves, and decompound leaves. Unipinnate compound leaf. Rachis is unbranched and is called a primary rachis. Leaflets are borne directly on the primary rachis. Unipinnate compound leaves are classified into two types. They are paripinnate compound leaves and imparipinnate compound leaves. In paripinnate compound leaf, the rachis may terminate with a pair of leaflets. Paripinnate compound leaves are seen in Tamarindus. In a imparipinnate compound leaf, rachis ends with an unpaired leaflet. Imparipinnate compound leaves are seen in Neem and Rosa. Azadirachta indica is the botanical name of neem plant. Azadirachta is a member of the Meliaceae family. Bipinnate compound leaf. In this leaf, primary rachis produces branches only once. The branches of primary rachis are called secondary rachi. Leaflets are present on both the sides of secondary rachi. Such leaves are called bipinnate compound leaves. Bipinnate compound leaves are seen in acacia. Tripinnate compound leaf. In this leaf, branches of secondary raceae are called tertiary raceae. Leaflets are borne on tertiary raceae. Such leaves are called tripinnate compound leaves. Tripinnate compound leaves are seen in moringa. Moringa oleifera is the botanical name of drumstick. Decompound leaf. In a decompound leaf, rachis is divided repeatedly and irregularly. Leaflets are borne on ultimate branches of the rachis. Daucus and Parthenium leaves are decompound leaves.